welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Tension at Margao on Saturday evening. Pro-mining people disrupt RTI forum meeting on Shah Commission report. Tries to attack forum members. Police control the situation. BJP National Executive Meet passes resolution on condition of Indian economy moved by Goa CM Manohar Parrikar. Miskita praises Modi, says Hindus, Muslims and Christians look upon Modi as the future PM of India. Congress MP Francisco Sardina says state BJP government is partial, alleges that government schemes forms are made available only to legislators of ruling government. Twelfth standard examination begins from Saturday at 15 centres. Over 13,000 students answering the exams. And Sagun Kamat's Dhepo Cricket Club set to clash with Shadab Jakati's Sarvodaya Royals in Yes Bank GPL T20 finals on Sunday. Now the news in detail. Members of RTI Forum of Margao held a meeting on Shah Commission report on mining. The meeting was disrupted by around 400 pro-mining people and the meeting had to be called off. Situation was tense and law and order situation was about to erupt when agitated pro-mining people tried to attack a forum member Joe Mari Miranda, taking him as Ramesh Gawas. Angry mob initially captured the meeting hall. Finally, forum members were safely escorted out in police protection.
RTI Forum had organized a meeting on Shah Commission report on mining for its Margao members. Experts and stakeholders were invited for the meet. A delegation of 3 members representing pro-mining people was also invited for the meeting. But around 400 pro-mining people reached the meeting venue and entered the meeting hall having capacity of hosting 30 to 40 people. Remaining people surrounded the hall area. Situation started becoming tense and violent. Some of the people from the mob tried to attack Joe Mari Miranda, a forum member, taking him as environmentalist Ramesh Gawas. Police flung into action on time and averted a major law and order situation. Later the crowd was dispersed and forum members were escorted out safely. Samir Bhatt and Arvind Tengse for Prudent.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar moved a resolution on the condition of Indian economy on the second day of BJP National Executive Meet. BJP MLAs and office bearers participated in the meet. BJP spokesperson Dr. Wilfred Miskita praised Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi for his dynamic leadership. He said that Modi is very popular and is looked upon as the future PM by Hindus, Muslims and Christians.
To discuss the preparations for assembly polls this year and galvanize workers for the Lok Sabha polls scheduled in 2014, BJP held its National Council meet. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, Goan ministers, MLAs and party office bearers participated in the meet. Manohar Parrikar moved a resolution on the condition of Indian economy. Resolution was passed with majority criticizing UPA government for failing to address common man issue. Party also criticized central government for price rise. BJP spokesperson Dr. Wilfred Miskita praised Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi.
अगर तो हमारा सरकार इंडिया में होना चाहिए तो मोदी लीड करना चाहिए और मोदी तो लीड करेगा जरूर बीजेपी सत्ता में आएगा. There is no question about it. Modi is an alternative for this country at present to become prime minister. मोदी का मॉडल का बात है पब्लिक ओपिनियन और पब्लिक ओपिनियन सबसे बड़ा है. यानी फॉर एनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी टू कम टू पावर यू रिक्वायर पब्लिक सपोर्ट और मोदी को वो पब्लिक सपोर्ट है फ्रॉम ऑल टाइप ऑफ पीपल, हिंदू, क्रिश्चियन, मुस्लिम. गोवा का बात करता हूँ कि देयर इज फुल सपोर्ट फॉर मोदी इन गोवा फॉर ऑल कम्युनिटीज इन हिंदू जातीय समस्याएं हैं।
South Goa MP Francisco Sardina has alleged that BJP-led government is acting biased. He said that opposition party and members of parliament are denied state government schemes. He welcomed the Union Budget 2013-2014 and said that it was a balanced budget which would help in strengthening the Indian economy.
All the elected leaders, whether MP, MLA, because let us not forget, once you are elected, maybe you form the government, others are also part of the system. A government cannot run without opposition. You give good governance so that you not only continue but you are voted again to power. But don't deprive others. Now, as a member of parliament, if somebody comes to me for reform, I can't give. So, stepmotherly treatment which is given to the opposition, government should stop it immediately and honor all the members, whether they are from the treasury, from the opposition, members of parliament, all elected members should be respected and they should be allowed to function. But only this time we have seen that there is a partition between the treasury, MLAs, I don't know about MPs. But then my point is, I have not met the MP from BJP to ask him how he functions, whether they give him the forms. But I want to tell the government, it is their duty and it is my right to get all the forms so that I am an elected member to distribute to the voters whenever they come to me for help.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.